Christmas is coming, oh. Nigerian girls, wise, oh. Christmas don't they come again. They don't send a message now from abroad. Say, as soon as I just enter Nigeria, boy, I will study you small, we will do the marriage. Now, bulk SMS you receive, oh. Now, 35 girls, now they send that kind of message. Why so? All those boys from abroad not get joy. Not be every boy when yellow, put earring from ear for ear. Not be come from abroad, though. Some of them are me boys will bleach. Ladies, why is this period, though? Some girls now don't they find sugar daddy to date. Maybe for buy bone straight. I mean not be bone straight that they call them. Maybe for you buy bone straight hair. They want buy bone straight hair. Any life now, people from abroad go promise you bone straight hair. Though they sex you. Boah. Why? Because of bone straight hair. If you cannot afford it twice, then don't buy it. Don't go and sleep with a stupid man because you want to buy bone straight hair. Bone straight hair. Some of you that lose your virginity now because of iPhone 6. Now when iPhone 12 don't come out. Hope you are ready to lose your life. If possible, kill everybody in your village. Right? Don't crave for things that you have not gotten to the standard. Bone straight hair. Not before receptionists for hotel when they collect 30,000. You end up sleeping with men. Don't crave for things your level has not gotten to. One guy say, any boy that can buy me bone straight hair, he has my pussy till January. Can you imagine that rubbish? Because of hair? Oh, God. Might even tell you Nigeria girls. Mona, listen. Hair, now they tell us on, no. We not value hair. Hey, those of you when want to do all you can to go and buy hair. Hope you don't say hair when you buy not be to entice men, no. Hair not be to entice men, no, not to show off for your fellow women. Because Nigerian men, we don't know hair. Ask me this so. I'm 30-something years old. I don't know the difference between human hair and goat hair. Hair no concern us. How many times man don't carry come and call the romance your hair? Because say, wow, baby, your hair is sunny not soon. Nothing concern us. Not go kill yourself, get spinal cord problem because of sex, just to buy bone straight hair. And not kill yourself. Because men, we don't know the difference between human hair and goat hair. See, for man, the only hair when man they concern about now your pubic hair. Pubic hair. And with the shaver. If you want my hair, catch our fancy, put her for here. Hey, fix the hair for here. Now concern man. I just want to talk. I heard the look now. And Nigerian men too now have to be wise. Oh, some of these women brutal. This period now, they'll call they talk to you with soft voice. They take off you. When they talk to you for phone, they'll call they talk like customer care of Glow. Your salary is under attack. Now your salary they want attack. Wise up. And some of all these girls love to the cashew now. And small thing boy go give you 30,000. You don't change your name for Florence to his boo, to Casino's boo, Yanni's boo, boo this, boo that, Miss this. They never even put bride price for your head. The boy never know your papa has. You don't tell your name to Miss Casino, Miss Lawrence, Miss this one. When they don't break your heart just now out of too much fast forward and over Sabi, you can't turn your name to daughter of Zion, a strong woman that I am. Oswald. Now they get sense. Boy never ever engage you. You don't go tattoo your name for your waist. Permanent tattoo. Because the boy there abroad. You don't go show your name for your waist. Send a picture. Boy, because of $500. You can't go write the boy name. I love John. Tattoo the boy name. Send and give a picture. Now the boy don't break your heart. Now you they cry. The boy don't go. Tattoo no agree go. Oh. Now again. And I make just help the girl say yeah. Since the boy don't go, tattoo no go. Since now John be the boy name. May you write 316 join. So if the girl open ways, okay, right? I love John 316. Don't say now Christian girl. How they look now? And some men as Christmas on the corner, now they plan divorce, so now they plan now they plan how to live relationship. Oh. Everything now break up. Break up that they happen now. You they see funny break up. Baby, I called you once. You did not pick. Why will I call you once? I called you, you called me back. Have I not warned you not to call me back when I called you that I'm the one that's supposed to call you? I break up. You know, the yet is like I say you should fry one egg and boil one egg. You went to fry the other one, you went to boil the one you're supposed to fry, you fried the one you're supposed to boil. Break up. So the yet is like, baby, did I tell you that I like my water in a room temperature of 27 degrees centigrade? How do you get one temperature? You get thermometer fast. Yeah, break up. Where's the break up? Where's the break up? I beg Nigerian guests. I beg. Christmas, not be do or die. When I calm down, boys, they take advantage of the fact that Christmas is gone. Guess one slay. If you never reach the level to slay, if you never reach to slay with Mercedes-Benz, buy Toyota. The advice now also to boys. I want to buy Benz, I want to buy Benz, I want to buy GLK, I want to buy this Lexus. And so pints, take on to natural resources. Stop putting yourself under pressure because of December or Christmas. Because life, God arranged life for everybody level. In life, you must learn to sew your cloth according to your material. What do your hand not feel achieve? Not go to force yourself to do them. In psychology, you are committing social suicide. You are chewing more than you can swallow. Live your life. Calm down. You will get there. If you go club or you go lounge, you not fit buy Hennessy. My brother, buy Henneken. Buy Henneken. Drink 500 naira. For all those up and see local, 250. Drink. Go ask. If you not fit buy Ciroc, buy D-Rock. Those are what they put for sachet paper. Higher. Drink them. After all, both to drink Hennessy, both to drink Remy Martins, both to drink Ciroc, both to drink D-Rock, both to drink palm wine. Now peace. All of us go see peace. Have a peaceful day.